You do not have depression. You're just with a man who constantly makes you sad. You are not paranoid. You're with a man who constantly goes out and does the same things that he said he wouldn't do to you. So you're always on your P's and Q's because you don't trust him. You're not crazy because you're constantly asking him why does it feel like he's doing certain things to you, because you feel the same feelings you felt the first time he cheated on you. That's why I encourage you women, do not go back, because once you do, it's this mental game that you guys put yourself in, and then you start making yourself think, oh my God, I must be crazy because I do be acting like, I always want to go through his phone. No, you don't trust him because he lies. He's constantly in a lying spirit. He does not communicate with you. He's always going missing. He is always going against the things that he said he wouldn't do. He does them. That's not crazy. That's what it is to be around a person that you cannot trust. So get the fuck out of there.